Hi there, hope you are doing well. So we have come up with another question to the same text. So the direction for question is what? Let's. The direction for the question is that there is a passage below is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each question. So, as far as we have read this text already and understood that the author talks about nothing but uh, author talks about um, the ideas pertaining to the means shoes on gaining the social status and class distinction. The author also pointed about the symbolic foundation of human identity reinforced by impractical shoes, isn't it? Now, uh, let's move to the question and try to draw that. What does this question try to point out here? So the question asked here, which of the following, if true, would most weaken? So which of the following, if true, would most weaken the argument that, what is the argument? Van Gogh's shoe paintings represent the essence of art and transport viewers beyond the everyday, isn't it? That is what the question it asks. Now, look at each of the option. So what we need to do, we need to identify the option which will weaken the argument of this, right? And that too also most, so that we can assume that means more than one answer could be possible, but we need to identify the most appropriate. The first option says that uh, Van Gogh painted many other subjects during his career that are more famous and widely recognized. Well, if you look into that, option one, which is not relevant to the argument about the essence of art in Van Gogh's shoe paintings, right? Why? Because it is stated that Van Gogh painted many other subjects during his career that are more famous and widely recognized. So this argument about the essence of art in Van Gogh's shoe painting, whether other subjects he painted are more famous or widely recognized, doesn't directly means weaken the argument, right? Or even if it weakens to the argument, but cannot be called as a means most weaken argument, isn't it? Now, moving to the second option, option two, where it is stated some art critics believe that Van Gogh's painting, shoe paintings lack the depth and emotion of its other works. Right. Let me point out in option one, if we take it also, means if we don't find out any other option better than the option one, then we'll find out that option one will be the weakening one. But as long as we have other three options and we have not read that, we cannot consider option one will be the most weakened. So let's go to the second one. Some art critics believe that Van Gogh's shoe painting lacked the depth and emotion of its other works. Now, uh, this particular part alone does not actually, what do we say, um, doesn't necessarily challenge the idea that the shoe paintings represent the essence of art. Means what do we say that it is that called as a the shoe paintings represent the essence of art, right? So it is a subjective opinion rather than concrete evidence. Concrete evidence. Because you are saying that what shoe paintings represent the essence of art. So definitely it can be a kind of a opinion of somebody who gives it, right? But it's not that concrete or most important uh, evidence, you can say. Now look into the option three. Option three stated Van Gogh's shoe paintings were created during a period when he was struggling with mental health issues. Now this option three provides context about Van Gogh's mental health during the mental health, right? So mental health during the mental health during the creation of the shoe paintings. while it adds background information, it doesn't directly challenge the argument regarding the essence of art in these paintings. So in that case, it is indicating that personal problem, but at the same time, it cannot be considered as the means of most weakened to the Van Gogh shoe paintings in context to the essence of art and transport view beyond the everyday, right? So option one and option two and three are eliminated. Now look into the option four. Option four said the majority of people who view Van Gogh's shoe painting do not interpret them as having hidden meanings. Now this could be known as a what means a correct answer, because when you cannot identify or understand the hidden meaning behind it, then how would you say that Van Gogh shoe paintings represent the essence of art and transport, right? So in that case, the fact that the majority of people do not interpret Van Gogh's shoes painting as having hidden meaning weaken the argument that these paintings represent the essence of art that can transport viewers beyond beyond the everyday. If most viewers do not perceive hidden meanings, it challenges the claim. It challenges the claim made in the argument. So in that case, option four can be called as an appropriate answer to more weaken or most weakened to the Van Gogh shoe paintings, whereas other three somehow are not the concrete evidence, right? Um, so therefore, option four will be the correct choice. I hope you understood. That's all. Thank you.